Hello everybody, my name is Tristan Governor and this is my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing my first ever YouTube video where we put a stud kit onto my E30 325 IS. The stud kit that we got is a motorsport hardware stud kit, which is lying on the table there. I'm going to show it to you now. The stud kit we got. This is for the front of the car. We already put on the back of the car. So these are the studs that go into the the rotors for the wheels. I'll show you how to put them on now. So we got this, and then we got the lugs, but these lugs are a bit short, so we want to get longer ones from Motorsports Hardware. Then it comes with a special tool to put your lugs on, and since these are bullet studs, they don't have an Allen key at the end, right? So you can't use an Allen key. They have a double nut system that I'll show you how to use now. Now that we have the car on jack stands, we can take off the wheels and I'll show you how to put the stud kit in. So now that we finally have the wheels off and we took off the nuts, we have our studs that we need to put on. But before we put them on, we need to add Loctite to keep them in there. You don't want these studs falling out while we're driving. So I'm going to show you now how to put them in. You put the Loctite on. You put it on. You take your stud, throw it into your tighten it. And it's tighten. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of the first Loctite, then I'm going to show you how to use the down nut system. So tighten it down. And then once we have the car on the ground, we'll use it with one more tighten to make sure that they're properly fixed. Just another 17, I'm using a brake ball, so that's it up there. All of these studs in, and we tighten them with the nut system I showed you. We put our Loctite. Now what we need to do is we put an our wheel and see what it looks like. Next, we need to put on our lug nuts. These are quite thin lug nuts, we need to get longer ones for the back. So, the way you put them on is you put the round side and the front side. So once you have those on, you need to get your special tightener that comes with the kit and tighten them down by hand. So once we have them in, you can see it looks pretty nice, but the bolt goes all the way in. So if you have a thicker rim, I would recommend you get the longer lug nuts that you can order, which we have ordered and it's on the way now. But yeah, it looks pretty good. And then let me show you the back. This is the back. So the back sticks out a little bit more because it's more of a thin rim because it's a deep dish. So the back will also need the longer lug nuts because I don't like the look of these threads being shown. So I think once we put the longer lug nuts, it will be covered and just the edges will be shown. But it looks pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with the final product, and once I lower it and put the rest on the other side, I'll show you the final. The studs are in, fitted them, the fronts, and then the rear's done, and that's it. And tomorrow I'll be posting a video explaining what we've done to the car, the engine that we have inside of it because it doesn't have the original engine, and basically all the updates and the project itself and all the plans we have for the car.